Am I the only one that didn't know ants are like tiny hulks? Here's the scoop. Imagine picking up something 50 times your weight. Yeah, that's what an Asian weaver ant does every day to Adon. These little powerhouses can carry loads like food and building materials back to their colony. No sweat. Now let's put that into perspective. If you were as strong as an ant, you'd be lifting cars or even small buildings. That's like carrying your house on your back. No gym needed. So next time you see an ant, give it some respect. These tiny titans are nature's ultimate bodybuilders. Who knew something so small could be so strong? That's it for today's Antastic Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool nature insights. See you next time.